There's something magical that happens when artists from around the world gather to create, explore, and connect. And that's exactly what we experienced during our art retreat in the French countryside of the Loire Valley.
Brave, adventurous art makers!
We stayed in the beautiful Chateau de Lavagna, surrounded by vibrant gardens, a sparkling turquoise pool, and an ancient lime tree wrapped in fairy lights where we enjoyed alfresco meals together. It felt just like stepping into a fairy tale. From the moment our attendees arrived, the excitement was contagious. There were hugs, joyful reunions, and so many new friendships blooming. I love surprising my guests, so everyone received a welcome bag filled with art supplies, sketchbooks, and fun little goodies to kick off the creative journey. Our mornings were all about playful, hands-on exercises. No rules, just pure creativity. We played with paint, scissors, and glue while laughing along to our new favorite playlist, Bardcore. These sessions really helped everyone let go of their inner critic and reconnect with their inner child. In the afternoons, we dove into Procreate lessons, exploring everything from color theory to sketching from life. But the standout session was our brush making workshop, where I took our attendees through the entire process of creating their own custom Procreate brushes, from inky mark making on paper to turning those into digital art making tools. We were treated to 3 incredible meals a day, crafted by our host and nutritionist, May Simpkin. Each meal was a masterpiece that took us on a tour of French cuisine. And let's not forget the desserts. Guessing what sweet treat would arrive each night became a highlight for all of us. One evening, we even enjoyed a lively wine tasting lesson with a local sommelier who even taught us how to saber champagne bottles. It was such a fun, unforgettable experience. We also took time to explore the local area with 2 special excursions. We visited a farmer's market filled with crafts, jewelry, and local goods, giving us lots of inspiration. And we also sketched together at the incredible Chateau de Saumur, a 900-year-old castle perched in the hills with incredible views.
Just a row of artists.
Throughout the retreat, spontaneous sketch sessions popped up at dinner tables, mini lessons happened over coffee, and deep conversations about art filled every moment.
Oh my gosh.
Because you'll sleep. The sense of community was truly special, with artists of all skill levels encouraging and supporting one another. As one of our attendees said, this retreat gave me a glimpse of heaven for art lovers. And honestly, I couldn't agree more. We left with new friendships, reignited creativity, and cherished memories. If all of this sounds like your dream experience, I have good news. We're headed back to France for another Paint, Play, and Procreate art retreat in 2025. Tickets are on sale now, and we have a few spots left, so if you want to join us on this unforgettable creative adventure, you can find the link down below. I'll see you in France.